So YouTube and guys and girls, I am in office today for some time. I have come to get my laptop replaced because my laptop is dead, and I have come to CCD in the office to get it replaced. It will still taking some time. There are some complications and all. So I am in office after long, and I'm happy to see this campus, glorious campus, our very own Infosys campus, Hyderabad campus. I'm so happy, and I'll show you around. I'm going for lunch now in food court because it will take some time to get my blood until coming back here. I'll just go now to food court and come back here again because they're inquiring with their higher people how to get it replaced and all, insurance and all, a lot of stuff. I'll see you in a while. Campus meanwhile. This is our parking. This is my scooty parked there. And see this beautiful campus. Seriously, I love being a part of this company because of the beautiful campus it has. Okay, I'll show you around little court in a food court. Okay. So guys, this is our beautiful cricket ground in front of the new food court where I'm going right now for lunch. That is only open. Old food is not open, and the beautiful buildings. See, Infi is a master of infrastructure. That's what employees love about it. They give their employees a five-star experience, five-star resort experience of the campus. I can call it 7-star, in fact, not 5-star. All the employees are all praised for Infi, at least for infrastructure. Other things are also there, but at least for infrastructure, 7-star experience. Just love the campus. See, I'm going to the food court now to have lunch. Meanwhile, you can have a look at the beautiful campus. Okay. So this is me going for lunch to the food court. I'm here after some 9 months, probably 9-10 months. I came earlier when I had to replace my laptop battery. Now this time the laptop itself is dead because due to some issues, some water or liquid issues they're saying. I'm not sure, but it's dead and want a replacement now. So I'm going to the food court now. We'll see you at lunch. So this is the food court. This is the new food court where I'm going to. I'll have my lunch there. There's the only food court open. Down there is gymnasium, health area as well as medicine area. There's a polo clinic. There's health area. There's gymnasium. There is bath area after gymnasium. A lot of things are there. There's a food court. I'm approaching now. Okay. Okay guys, I'm sitting for lunch now. I'm having chicken curry, dal, rice and chapati, and that is 85 rupees menu here. Chicken curry, dal, rice and chapati, 85 rupees. Old vendor. We've been used to this vendor eating a lot of chicken curry in Infosys campus. One thing unique I'll show you. At one this only one person is sitting. At one bench only one person is sitting. At one table. Social distancing. So even I am sitting. Only one chair is there for one table. That is what social distancing has been maintained. Everybody is sitting alone. Having my lunch now. We'll connect in a while. Okay, this is the ground floor basically. Ground floor is all empty. Right now they're not operating at ground floor. All empty. Only operating at the first floor where I had food now because the crowd is not much. So I'm going out on the food court. I'm going to the same building where CCD is there. Building 3 CCD I'm going now. There we'll see how much time it takes for replacement, and I can go back home after taking the laptop, or I have to stay back for some time more. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm going out of food court now. This is the food court at the back. And I'm moving now to the building. Towards the building. CCD building. See you. So YouTube guys, I have got my new laptop finally. I got it some one and a half, 2 hours back, but all the setups and checkups we were doing. It's around about 5:20, 5:25 in the evening now. I came in 10:30 or 11 in the morning, 10:30, 20:45, and now the work is complete. I'll exit the campus in another 10 minutes. So finally I got a new laptop. It was HP earlier and it was heavy, it was big. Now it is sleek, small, light, Dell laptop we have got, and done for the day. Now I'll go home. I didn't come when I came very basically as soon as I tried to log in, the battery was dead. So I was shocked basically why this is happening. The power button itself was not working, so I was shocked basically what happened. So it was in hurry basically. I didn't bathe also. I just freshened up a little. I just freshed up a little and came here in office. By 10:30 I reached at the gate. After looking at the gate, some vendor is there for HP. He saw that problem, and after 20-25 minutes after reviewing everything, he sent me inside. He said, "You go inside and get the replacement." But I came here. That guy is not there. He's working from home. The other guy is there. Then mailing was done. A lot of mails were here and there, and then because I work in Edgeworth division of Infosys, so they had to get approval from Edgeworth people. So that approval came. Then I got my laptop. Finally, by 3 or 3:30, I got my laptop. After approvals and everything was done. People were busy, obviously. People are working. People are busy, obviously. So I had to call them. Then they got it. After that, I got it, and now finally, after all the checks and everything, I saw that everything is working fine, setups and all. Now I'm exiting the campus, 5:20-25 already. Within 10-15 minutes, I'll exit the campus. And it was nice coming here. But anyway, it was for need only. I was not planning to come here basically. Next 6 or 9 months, probably we'll work from home only. We're planning to work from home only next 6 or 9 months till this COVID third wave, and obviously people are not readily available for coming to office now. They want to continue work from home as soon as possible, as long as possible. They can. So fine. So I'll go home now, and probably I won't be coming to campus every day. So it was neat today, so I came and I saw the beautiful campus, my beautiful campus, by our beautiful Infosys campus. Though I didn't go to all ends, but anyway, the reach area basically where my work was there, food court, and this building 3. I came and I had some work. Now I'm leaving for the day. Okay, bye. See you. Bye YouTube, and enjoy this video of beautiful Infosys Hyderabad campus, or Infosys or Edgeworth.